P3D, Precision 3D Hydro, creates the CAD drawing, and we're going to go into through Dynamic CAD into Precision 3D Hydro and show how that's done. It even creates the CAD blocks automatically. Let's double click the tin, and just as a side light, go to Materials, Ground, and look down at Just Add Bison, drag and drop it over, and notice that if I put my cursor in that area, you can see the runoff coefficient for it. Any particular texture has its own runoff coefficient if you double click it, and can be changed. But the point is, if you go to the gallery here and go under catch basins, let's look at KYTC, for example, and if I click on this 10-foot curb inlet, I've defined it to be inlet curb 10, inlet underscore curb 10. Let's hit OK. Back in the CAD, under points, I can go to draw locate points just to get to my library, and I've just defined an inlet underscore curb 10 deliberately with a certain look. There's no manhole in it, so it applies to all three, left, right, and middle manhole positioning. And that is how you can force a mapping back to the CAD as applied in Precision 3D. We'll show you. So if I go in here, and let's cancel what we were in and go and put a couple in here. Let's put in this 10-foot inlet, and the next one will be the right 10-foot with the manhole facing downstream. And we're going to finish the command, and you can see we have two inlets in. This one has the lid in the middle, and as we go back to the CAD into the model space, we have the mapped symbol, which is exactly 10 foot. It's set to a fixed size, not a unit size in this case. Now, what if within Precision 3D Hydro, you do another inlet in the library that you've not defined yet? The program will create the CAD block for you. So if I go to the structure and browse for another KYTC option, such as a Type 5 grate, and you can see it's a little lower in the middle, has a certain look. There's no cross metal bars. Let's pay attention to that. It will default a name here that you can see under Edit Properties. You'll see it right here. It defaults that name, Type 5 grate, just matches it, but makes it on the fly. So we'll hit OK, and we'll drop it in at this low point right there. And we'll put another one in that we've already made, Type 11 grate, across the way there, and finish the command. And you can see that these grates have been drawn precisely up against the curb. This one has no crossbars. Go back to the CAD, model space, and you can see that we get a perfectly mapped block in CAD. Now, we neglected to put a pipe from MH2 to MH3. Let's do that right now, just as a side exercise. This involves the so-called diamond snap. We'll come in to the storm sewer icon and look for the diamond, connect from that one to that one with the diamond. No new inlet is created. Finish the command. And look at our pipe network. That will be the last pipe created. And you can come here and even change it to PVC, a different material. Now you can come in and look at it perhaps underneath and see we've got a blue PVC pipe entering this inlet with a standard default concrete pipe. The next thing you might do, of course, is finish out to the head wall, and then by selecting pipe network, follow up with a hydraulic analysis.